Genesis introduced the GV80 Coupe concept back in April at the 2023 New York Auto Show, where it also confirmed plans to put the BMW X6 rival into series production. That didn't take long, as Hyundai's luxury division is now unveiling the road-going model for South Korea, where it's planned to go on sale on October 11th. The Coupe SUV mashup is being joined by an updated version of the conventionally styled GV80. As expected, the GV80 Coupe is a spitting image of the namesake show car from the Big Apple and rides on exclusive 20 and 22-inch wheels. It keeps the sporty roof spoiler of the concept before it and gets a quad exhaust system for the flagship version. Genesis will sell its first coupe SUV with a glitzy dual mesh radiator grille and a choice of 13 exterior colors, including a bearing blue shade you can't have on any other model. The most significant difference between the concept and the production model can be found inside, where the latter has a wide 27-inch infotainment. The dials for the gear selector and infotainment knob have a swanky crystal finish akin to what you'll find in high-end BMW products. Gone are the concept's bucket seats with two individual rear seats, as they've made way for more comfortable, leather-lined seats with a 3-passenger rear bench. From the two-tone steering wheel and real wood trim to the leather upholstery and aluminum accent, the cabin sends a premium vibe from just about every angle. The center console hosts capacitive touch climate controls, while the rear seats recline for greater comfort or improved practicality, depending on what you need. There are 5 interior colors to choose from, including 3 new ones: glacier white, earth brown, and Bordeaux brown. Speaking of what powers the Asian swoopy SUV, the base model gets a turbocharged 2.5-liter gasoline inline-4 engine with 300 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. Up next is the larger twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 that produces 375 horsepower and 391 lb-ft, while the same engine with an electric supercharger pushes out 409 horsepower and 405 lb-ft.